Are you kids ready to harvest broccoli?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Come take a look at this. Check it out. The plant, that was loud. The plant is so big now. So we've got, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 inches across. If we were to leave this any longer, these little florets would actually start stretching out, and then it would not be broccoli like we know it anymore. So we're gonna harvest this plant. Now, if you look down here, there's actually some little baby broccolis growing on the side. So what we would normally do is we would cut it off right here, and that would allow these smaller florets to develop. But I think we're ready to go ahead and start our warm weather garden. So we're gonna take the whole plant out, and we're not gonna let these little ones develop anymore because we want space for our warm season plants, like what? Like cucumbers?
Tomatoes. Yeah.
And tomatoes. All right.
I'm gonna pull it out.
No, I'm gonna cut it off down at the base. So
won't it still grow since it still has the roots?
it might, but we're just gonna cut it off right here. I don't think it'll grow back. So I'm gonna cut it right there. Oh, it's kind of hard. That'll be easier. Or broccoli. Do that one. Okay.
Let me eat the leaves.
The whole plant is edible. We could eat the leaves. So I'm gonna break off these lower leaves. So here it is. Here's a nice big chunk of broccoli. We hold it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Who's eating it?
You're eating the leaves? What do they taste like?
They taste.
The leaves taste like broccoli? Okay, so we're not gonna harvest this one yet. This one's kind of small, but this one over here is ready, I think. Should we harvest it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'll just pull it out. That was much easier than trying to cut it. Shake off that dirt. Ah. We got a nice pile of leaves over here.
Mommy.
Look at that. This one's pretty big too.
Which one?
Which one's bigger? Let's see.
I'm holding this one.
I think that one is a little bit bigger. And this one's not quite ready yet. We're gonna give that one a little more time.